Ang nagkakasal po sa inyo, Reynalyn at Jonathan, hindi po yung pari, kundi kayo ang nagkakasal sa isa't isa. Because you exchange. The girl or the bride gives her promise to the husband, and the husband receives that promise, and likewise the husband proposes his promise sincerely, hopefully, because they are doing it not before witnesses or 100 other people, but before God.
Like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
Reynalyn, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty to you. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
And I tell her every day. Oh, you know
Jonathan, wear this ring
if perfect's what you're searching for.
as a sign of my loyalty and love to you. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
When I see your face,